Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Views in front of you right now, HP Smart 516 Smart Tech printer. What is the issue with this printer? Just let me give the print command, test page, print test page, and I will show you the issue and will teach you how can you fix it. Okay, it's executing. I just printed a while ago. If I show you, it's missing the line from here. Okay. Also, if you will see, if we make copy, I just printed this page, test page. Okay, it's missing line. You can see from here it's missing the line. And if we make a copy, you will see the same. There is a line is missing from here, top to bottom. And also, if you will see, text is not straight; it's shaking. Text is shaking. Any inkjet printer or deskjet printer or ink tank printer, smart tank and Canon or Epson, if you have found the same issue, how can you fix it? Today we will teach you. Regarding this HP smart tank, what to do, I have to disassemble this a bit. No need to worry, it's very simple. You will be required for this 5-star screwdriver. 2 screws will be here, one in the front, 2 in the front and 2 in the top. Here we go. 2 screws here on the top. Okay, just slowly remove the top cover. Okay, like this, including this cables, one for scanner and one for front panel. Okay, in this printer, what is the issue? This shaking the text, and why this is causing misprints. You can see this is encoding strip. Okay, we have to clean this encoding strip, and this is not transmitting the data well, so that's why it's creating the problem. We will be required one tissue, and we will clean this. You will see just over here. Okay, and for this purpose also I can use one spray. Here is contact cleaner. I will use this contact cleaner. You can use any thinner type you can use to clean this strip. Because this encoding strip is not transmitting data well. Fine, even we'll throw some in the sensor. The spray is dryable, so no need to worry. It's not a lubricant like oil. Clean this strip well, and that's it. Now I will return back the top cover to check the print quality, is it fixed or not. If you ever found this problem, that shaking text or missing text, or maybe text on text, sometime if you draw the table or draw the line in Microsoft Word or Excel, the line will not be straight. So this is also caused sometimes due to this encoding strip. we'll connect the power, then we'll print again one copy and we'll print from computer. Turn it down. This page to make sure that we will copy this page to say it's copying well or not. I gave copy command, let it print, then we will see the problem is fixed or not. Okay viewers, as you can see, I will show you the old copy. If you will see the old copy, you will see the difference. First, this on old copy the text was shaking, here no shaking, straight. Second, it was missing color from here, and in the new copy it's not missing any color. The print quality is very fine. This was the method. If ever your inkjet printer or ink tank, any inkjet technology rather than HP, Epson or Canon, anyone, if you ever found the print is missing or shaking text or text on text, you have to clean the encoding strip that I mentioned earlier. In this model HP Smart, I told you to open the screws, 2 screws from here and 2 on the front to remove this top cover of scanner, and you can clean with the tissue paper or any contact cleaner. Clean it well with the cotton bud also, you can use it. Then you will fix the print quality of any inkjet printer. If you have any question regarding HP Smart printers, viewers, you can ask me in the comments. If anyone have any better idea to fix the print quality, please share me in the comments. I will appreciate it. Thank you for watching guys. Take care. Bye.